Big day, party people. Big day. Huge day. We got a carpet to make sitting inside this thing not completely unbearable. Let's throw it in. First things first, gotta take these seats out. Should just be 2 bolts at the front, 2 bolts at the back. Yeah, simple. We got some trash back here too. Hoping to find some change. That's hilarious. Everything's already disconnected. Pretty gross. Yeah, we do have some change though. That's kind of worrying, a big bolt like that. There is a lot of rat poop. Yeah, I can't wait to get this thing out. Side trim off while we're at it. It's fairly simple in these. The way you remove this portion that's underneath the back seat, there's these little pins right there that you pull on either side underneath both seats. Pull those, lift it up, and then you can just basically lift the carpet over the mechanism. And then you're pretty much good. So rip this thing out, take these last moldings off, center console. That's pretty much it. All right, switching back to the DJI. It's too hot. Florida be beating up my electronics. Yeah, right back to where we were. This is the state we're in currently. Basically, rear seat portion is out. This side molding is all out. Have to undo that bolt right there, take this shrouding off, and then I think it's ready to go out. Okay, that took forever. Now I'm gonna put the cup in. I thought it was like a plug and play type thing, but with a carpet. It's not. You kind of have to cut it to your own size, which is stupid because I paid a lot of money thinking this would be easy. Whatever, let's cut it. Okay, quick update of where we're at. This is hard work, I'm not gonna lie to you. It doesn't fit perfectly, but I mean it's better than what we had. So yeah, but this is where we're at. We're getting there. Center console is in. Gotta trim the edges and sort out some stuff down in the driver's footwell. Let's get the back seats in. Oh my God. Back seats are in. That's the easy part. Oh my God. Why was that so difficult? What? I think I'm done for the day. day, it's raining, most of the day's already gone. So we're just gonna do a few things to keep chipping away at this great ordeal of a task. We have this, which is the reservoir that's gonna replace that Coke bottle that we have. Also, this package, which is the rear struts. New rear struts for the trunk so that it doesn't decapitate me. Yeah, let's get to it. Like I said, you need to go. Coke is not giving us any sponsorship money to be doing this. This cap on the new one is slightly different to the OEM one. That would go into the thermostat housing, the one which we have not received in the mail yet. Now, we have this incredibly... Oh wow, talk about downforce. Now, we have this incredibly fun task of fixing this problem. Yep. Good shoulder press workout. Yep. Okay, let's do it. Jeez, look how rusty this thing is. Oh yeah, these things really aren't doing anything. Okay, I better not do that because it seems like the trunk is falling apart. Interesting way of doing it. Okay. All right, done. No longer a death trap. I can do this and feel comfortable. Beautiful. Wait. It's basically brand new. Just don't look at the rust. Oh yeah, baby. Time to put some cool shit on this car. And now we got this bad boy. It's generic as fuck, but this is a budget build, so don't come at me, all right? Let's put it on. But CJ, the car overheats, but it leaks coolant. But the thermostat's broken and you broke the thermostat housing. Why don't you sort all this stuff first? Because that's all the stuff that really matters, right? This makes cool noises. Oh, fuck. Did I get the wrong one? As I was saying, this makes cool noises. Therefore, this is the priority. Okay, so cold air intake is in. That is this beauty right here. We made it work with the little insert adapter thingy, and yeah, we made this work in here as well. We had to kind of loosen up that shroud there to get the filter to fit, and then also bend the horn a little bit, but it's in there. It's pretty solid, it's rigid. That's all connected now. There is one little inlet there which I need to block off, otherwise we're going to have some vacuum problems. But yeah, I need to block that off. I'm not too sure why that's there, honestly. Don't really know what would go there, unless this is for the turbo version. Still don't know what would go in there. All we're missing now is the thermostat housing, which should be here already. But FedEx is being my favorite, just being my absolute fave. Yeah, that's it for today. Struts done, coolant, Coke bottle replaced, intake done. She's coming together slowly but surely. This is going to be a project. It is a project. It's already a project, but in all her glory. Thank you for tuning in. I appreciate it. Please like the video. Please comment any tips or tricks if you know about these cars, if you know about cars in general, because, you know, still learning with this stuff. But yeah, and let me know what else we want to see. But I appreciate it, and see you in the next one.